Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. And if you are working with Google Colab and if you have some file in Google Drive also, and you need access to connecting access to you can so that you can work with this file in Google Colab. So how you can do this? Okay, in this video you'll know that how you can connect Google Colab to Google Drive, because this is very important to know. Because if you have a lots of file in Google Drive and you want to work with this file, or if you have any dataset in Google Drive and you want to get analysis out of these datasets, but you don't know how to connect with them each other, it's very hectic task, because you have to download the dataset in local system and then upload in Google Colab. It's very hectic task. Okay, so that you should know that how you can connect Google Drive to Google Colab. So let's get started. First you have to written out some code for that. So I just copy the code written out and have to run it. You'll see that Drive already mounted items. It already mounted. If just this code, okay, I will see that here you will see that my what is stored in my Google Colab, Google Drive. It will come over here. You see, this is my dataset. Two, three dataset is in my Google Colab. It will come over here. You can use it easily. Okay, just write some code. Copy the path. We'll see that it will work or not, and run it. And df.hit. You'll see that my dataset came over here. Okay, now you can work with this dataset. What is happening is that what you have in your Google Colab, all things is came over here. Okay, in Google Colab. Okay, so you can access anything what you have in Google Drive. Just you have to denote this code. Okay, and they ask some permission, and you giving permission, it will connect automatically. Okay, you don't need to any hard task to do things. Okay, because I already connected, that's why it sees the drive already mounted. If you not connected, you have to just run this code, and they asking some permission from Google Drive, and when you give permission, it will connect it automatically. Okay, you don't need to do any other tasks. So if you like this particular video, please give a thumbs up, and if you get facing any issue to connecting Google Drive to Google Colab, please let me in the comment section. I'll try to help you out. Thank you guys.